Networks down 5 minutes later. Now,
Good evening. This is Mr. Rizky Saputra.
good evening, Mrs. Shirley. Yes, I am Rizky. I'm very sorry for joining for late. My internet connection suddenly went down, and I took a few minutes to reconnect.
Okay, no worries, Rizky. Understand. Technical issue can happen, especially in online meeting. Thank you for letting us know and for making the effort to join. Are you ready to start the interview?
Yes, I'm ready. Thank you very much for your understanding.
Okay. To start, could you please introduce yourself and tell me about your educational background and experience?
Sure, Mr. Shirley. My name is Rizky Surya I graduate from Sekolah Tinggi Ilmu Komputer Muhammadiyah Batam, majoring in informatic engineering. During college, I worked on several IT projects, including a web-based laboratory inventory and loan system using PHP, PHP, and MySQL. I also internet at PT Inovasi Digital as a junior web developer, where I contribute to an internal dashboard built with Laravel and Vue.js. Outside of campus, I took online course and bootcamp to enhance my skill in backend development and API integration.
Okay, so like you being very active, what made you can choose informatic engineering as your major?
I've been interested in computer and logic science high school. I enjoy solving problems and feel accomplished when I create working code. IT is a very ever evolving field which motivates me to keep learning. I find informatic engineering both challenging and full of opportunities to grow and contribute meaningfully.
Okay, where are you interested in applying to our company?
I saw that company is actively developing digital solution across various sectors, including data management, cloud computing, and system management. I'm excited to work in a dynamic and professional team like yours. I also appreciate your inclusive and collaborative work culture. As described on your website, I believe this environment will help me grow as a software developer and make a meaningful contribution.
Okay, good. Can you describe a challenging experience you had during your study or internship?
Currently, when I developed the lab equipment loan system for my final project, I was asked to add an automatical email notification feature. This was new to me, and I struggled with SMTP configuration and integration on the campus server. I spent a lot of time reading documentation and watching tutorials and discussing with my advisor. I solved it using the PHP mailer library. That experience taught me persen- perseverance and the importance of seeking help when needed.
Interesting. What will you say you are? your main struggles as an informatic engineering graduate?
I have strong logical thinking, adapt quickly to new tool, and I'm good to problem solving. I'm also detail oriented, especially in debugging and writing clean code. If work in team-based project, so I'm familiar with collaboration and task delegation.
Thanks, good. And how about your weakness?
Sometimes I get too caught up in details when building a feature, and then which can affect my time management. However, I'm learning to plan better by setting priorities and using tools like Trello and Notion. If I if also release task striving for perfection should delay progress.
Okay, great self-awareness. If you get accept her, what do you most want to learn or develop?
I like to deepen my knowledge in cloud-based system, CI or CD, processes, and application security. I'm also eager to large-scale projects are managed professionally, from documentation to version control and efficiency development. Learning from a more experienced team and receiving feedback will be very valuable to me.
That's good to hear. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, maybe I see myself as a really able software engineer handling important project, possibly specializing in back-end system or DevOps. I'd also like to mentor new developers and contribute significantly to my team and my company.
Nice. Do you have any question about the company or the position?
Yes, Mr. Sally, I did like to ask if the company offers training of or internal certification program for employees who want to upskill.
Okay, absolutely. We have monthly intern training, posting, sharing session, and support for external certification related to your field. We value employees who took in initiative to learn and share the knowledge.
That's wonderful to hear. It sounds like an ideal work environment. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome, Rizky. Thank you for attending to the interview. We follow up you via email or WhatsApp for the next step.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sally. I really appreciate your time and the opportunity. Have a great day.
You too, Rizky. Take care and see you soon.